Which component of an atom carries no charge? A. Neutron. B. Electron. C. Ion. D. Proton. The correct answer is A. Neutron. Besides height, what other significant physical change do adolescents experience during puberty? A. Decrease in weight. B. Increase in muscle mass only. C. Increase in weight. D. Decrease in bone density. The correct answer is C. Increase in weight. What is the primary function of an odometer? A. To measure speed. B. To measure time. C. To measure distance. D. To measure weight. The correct answer is C. To measure distance. Which part of the H-shaped gray matter forms the anterior horns? A. The upper end. B. The connecting bar. C. The middle section. D. At the lower end. The correct answer is D. The lower end. Who is responsible for layout design? A. M. Mohanapriya. B. Manohar Radhakrishnan. C. S. Albert Valvan Babu. D. John Smith Beatty. The correct answer is C. S. Albert Valvan Babu. What is the flow of positive charge called? A. Proton current. B. Ionic current. C. Electron current. D. Conventional current. The correct answer is D. Conventional current. At what specific temperature is liquid nitrogen utilized for preserving genetic material? A. At -196 degrees Celsius. B. At boiling point. C. At room temperature. D. Above freezing point. The correct answer is A. At -196 degrees Celsius. Who among the following is primarily responsible for lawmaking at the state level? A. High Court judges. B. Members of the Legislative Assembly. C. Chief Minister. D. Governor. The correct answer is B. Members of the Legislative Assembly. What type of personal protective equipment is recommended when working with hazardous radioactive materials? A. Fire retardant suits and helmets. B. Rubber boots and safety glasses. C. Lead-coated aprons and lead gloves. D. Cotton gloves and paper masks. The correct answer is C. Lead-coated aprons and lead gloves. What is the purpose of charts? A. To visually represent data. B. To manage cell addresses. C. To perform calculations. D. To sort data. The correct answer is A. To visually represent data. When dilute HCl is poured into a beaker in an electrical circuit, what is observed regarding the bulb? A. The bulb flickers intermittently. B. The bulb glows brightly. C. The bulb does not glow. D. The bulb turns off after glowing briefly. The correct answer is B. The bulb glows brightly. In India, what does black money represent regarding income? A. Income received as gifts. B. Full income earned. C. Income from legitimate investments. D. Only a part of income earned for tax evasion. The correct answer is D. Only a part of income earned for tax evasion. What historical event is mentioned in relation to a crucifixion? A. The Punic Wars. B. The fall of Rome. C. The rise of Christianity. D. The spread of Buddhism. The correct answer is C. The rise of Christianity. Which company produces pig iron and crude steel? A. Tata Iron and Steel Company, TISCO. B. Visvesvaraya Iron Steel Ltd, WISL. C. Hindustan Steel Ltd, HSL, Bhilai. D. Indian Iron and Steel Company, ISCO. The correct answer is D. Indian Iron and Steel Company, ISCO. How did the government suppress the protests? A. By issuing warnings. B. With brute force. C. Through negotiation. D. By imposing curfews only. The correct answer is B. With brute force. What substance is used in fumigation to protect stored grains? A. Organic fertilizer. B. Chemical vapors. C. Water. D. Insecticides in solid form. The correct answer is B. Chemical vapors. If water is prepared differently, what will be the mass ratio of hydrogen to oxygen? A. It will become 1:16. B. It will vary with preparation method. C. It will become 8:1. D. It will remain 1:8. The correct answer is D. It will remain 1:8. The text states that amoeba performs all its activities within what? A. Its single cell. B. Different cells. C. Special external structures. D. The surrounding water. The correct answer is A. Its single cell. What type of disaster are windstorms and hailstorms categorized as? A. Man-made. B. Hydrological. C. Meteorological. D. Technological. The correct answer is C. Meteorological. Which of the following toys has movable heads and limbs? A. Tiny doll. B. Clay dog. C. Clay monkey. D. Cow. The correct answer is D. Cow. Which organism causes hepatitis A? A. Vibrio cholerae. B. E. coli. C. Hepatitis A virus, HAV. D. Rotavirus. The correct answer is C. Hepatitis A virus, HAV. What is the maximum age for members of the Human Rights Commission? A. 70 years. B. 75 years. C. 65 years. D. 60 years. The correct answer is A. 70 years. What is another name for projection directly onto a flat plane? A. Spherical projection. B. Cylindrical projection. C. Conical projection. D. Planar or zenithal or azimuthal projection. The correct answer is D. Planar or zenithal or azimuthal projection. What term is used to describe an unpleasant feeling such as a burning sensation around an injury? A. Itching. B. Tingling. C. Numbness. D. Pain. The correct answer is D. Pain. What is the primary function of epithelial, covering, tissue? A. Contraction. B. Support. C. Protection. D. Absorption. The correct answer is C. Protection. Human rights are described as inherent rights that ensure what two things? A. Limitations and restrictions. B. Obedience and compliance. C. Freedom and the exercise of choices. D. Wealth and power. The correct answer is C. Freedom and the exercise of choices. Which of these is not listed as a category under measurements in the concept map? A. C. System. B. Chemical formulas. C. Measuring instruments. D. Physical quantities. The correct answer is B. Chemical formulas. What is a common method described for opening a tightly closed jar lid? A. Heating the jar body. B. Pouring hot water on the lid. C. Cooling the jar body. D. Freezing the lid. The correct answer is B. Pouring hot water on the lid. Which of the following is a disease associated with lifestyle modification? A. Common cold. B. Measles. C. Type 2 diabetes mellitus. D. Chicken pox. The correct answer is C. Type 2 diabetes mellitus. For which purpose might a product intended to modify physiological systems be used? A. To increase pain perception. B. To induce hyperactivity. C. To reduce blood flow entirely. D. To explore pathological states. The correct answer is D. To explore pathological states. How did you score?